Central Texas, Leon County and Central Texas, southeastern Limestone County and Central Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Teague to 6 miles southeast of Lake Limestone to 7 miles east of Twin Oak Reservoir, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Teague, Buffalo, Centerville, Lake Limestone, Twin Oak Reservoir, Corinth, Jewett, Redmond, Oakwood, Marquay, Pleasant Springs, Langley, Flo, Seal, Doney, Robbins, Eunice, Freestone, Ball Prairie, and Farrar. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 162 and 193. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Corsicana listening area.